Yo, guys, be right back. Be right back. Yo, yo, yo. Eric Lake, what's happening? TJP, what's going on? Mike's working? Yep. Alright, good. Phew. I just had to run. I just got off the treadmill and then I just had to run from outside. Alright, Kid Poker, let's go. Let's give it up for Kid Poker. Got a payout today. Approved. From Apex? Apex Kid Poker? Hey, Dallas Stone, what's going on? Martman, Dan Emmons. Nice, Kid Poker from Apex. Sweet. Congratulations. Yeah, you can trade take profit at 6. Yep. Exactly. You can't hold it past 4.59. Yep. Oh, excuse me. All right, so what do we got going on? Let's see. We got about 5 minutes before the market opens. You think we get a bounce? I don't know. It's possible. Definitely possible. Gap up, maybe. It was a wild day. It was wild. I tried to pass a few of these take profit accounts, or get 50%, I mean. So I got 2 of those at 50%. I got 2 daily loss limits on the top step. I blew a funded Apex account. What did I do? I don't know. Today was kind of like a blur. I made good money on my personal account, which what matters really. Let's see if I can pull it up. Oh. My computer's been acting weird. Yeah, Sabak for sure, yeah. Non-stop. So it was what, 1100? Something like that on these, yeah, I full sent them, Dan, and it didn't work. Yeah, 1100. I kind of forgot that they had the daily loss limit still on Trade of 8. I almost forgot. I made $3,520 on my personal account. Right there. Hey Sherry, what's going on? No, I haven't checked Discord today, Del. Sorry. I've been over trading. I'll check it out right now. Up 200. I'm up 162. Keegan Murphy, what's going on? I'm up 162 for today. Last Friday, 379. Week for 800s. Blue one, step one account today. Forgot $200 drawdown on 5K. Oh. Step one. You must be trading that blue sky or something. Up 200 and 300 on 2 blown accounts. Gap up. Drifter, what's going on? Yeah, not top slip X. No, I went back to trade of 8. You guys, last 2 days been a while. I hope to kick it to you guys tonight. I'll trade like a goober if I don't trade market open, but this new strat worked. I don't know. Oh wow. Yeah, nice Dell. Market's opening in any minute. Any minute. Hi Donna, John Sharp, what's going on? Kid Poker, yeah. I'm trying to really hold on to my winners. I actually caught the long this afternoon, long, and then I caught a short here to add. We were up. What did we leave stream? Like 2,700, I guess, this morning. So we got a gap down right here, 440, 420s right now. But yeah, I've been really trying to hold on to my winners, Kid Poker, with good size and adding like a second contract. Hey John Walk, what's going on? Hope you had a good day as well. Coach Fred, yo, what's going on? Trying wealth charts out. That's not how it goes, Eric Lake. I heard most people don't like it, but you might like it. Carlos Roa, what's going on? Yo. Corey, the phone trader. Yep, round 2. Here we go. Slipbacks. Fred, been working just fine. ATM strategies here. Yeah, I don't mind Slip X for Bulanox. I've been using it. I just wanted to. I just trade better. I tend to trade better on Trade of 8. So I said, well, heck with it. I'm gonna use Bulanox, Project X, and then switch back to Top Step. But it's gonna be a little harder to pass the evals, which sucks. So Here we go, wood chip. Yeah, we should see some movement. Oh, I got wicked lag. I'm on a top step eval, guys. I'm long, but man, I just got some serious lag. Just looking to fill the gap. Futures floor, what's going on? There we go. Pretty widespread right now. Hey, futures floor, what's up, buddy? How was your day? It's a pretty good day overall. I definitely overtraded. I'm in that combine grind, eval grind, trying to build up some. I am not trading props very well. Trading my personal account like a killer, but props I'm just not. I'm just not being patient. Really, it's the main thing. I'm gonna stop the break even. We're up almost 15 points, almost. Hey, it's Trading Star. What's going on? TCG Andy. There we go. Let's get that push up. Looking for like 465 for a TP. $465.75. Small red day, 2 counts green, 2 counts red, but overall net loser for the day. Yeah, futures floor. It was, I actually made money today, believe it or not, after resets and everything, just because I made money on the personal. Really gonna take me out like that? Come on, man. All right, let's hold him. Stopped out break even. That sucked. Oh, you can't trade my funded futures? That's weird. Why? Just won't let you trade it right now? Or at 83% off futures floor. Let me double check that. It might have changed today. Yeah, 83% off. Use code PINE. The 91% is gone, I believe. Yep, 83% until for 3 more days. So yeah, that was a little disappointing. I probably should have took the money. I was looking for the full gap fill there. We didn't get it. I'm gonna go back to my micros that I was doing last night. Now, scaling in and out. Long again. I'm in 4. I didn't want to be in 4. Hi, I shouldn't have put. Oh, Trump is talking? I didn't know that. Thank you, Kid Poker. Covered you short at the EMA. Nice. Yeah, it was a good entry. I should have just took the profits, I guess, Fred. Oh well. Got a little greedy. I was looking for full 20 points. I'm plugging the DGen mode. I'm still in DGen mode. This is a long Arcanus. I was just in a long and then just got out. Now I'm in the long again. But it's not looking good. We're pushing down now. Getting out. Testing at 400. Oh, is he talking about tariffs? No kidding. I didn't know Trump was talking. Question is, do we leave the gap, the open gap again, like we did last night? Look at that 50-point gap up there. What a nice short. Like, you imagine last night, like, all you would have to do is just hit the sell button. Just hit the sell button, held it all day. All night and all day. It made a month, 2 months worth of money. In hindsight, of course. But, yeah. Yeah, not as wide though, Fred, but yeah, there's definitely a gap. Where did we leave? It's only 7 points ish. But yeah, it would have been nuts to hold all night. How many points was it? From last night, open to the low. 870, 80 points ish. 880 points. So what is that, like 17, one mini? That would be like 17 grand or something like that. You got the Trump dump going on. Possibly. I mean, we saw it so bearish. I mean, everything was just bearish. ES, YM, NASDAQ. I feel like, I'm sure a lot of you guys feel the same way tonight, is where it's like, man, I wish I could have caught more of that. In hindsight, of course. I kept trying to take longs. Kept getting paper cut. Bad. Death by 1,000 cuts. $353s might be a good entry. We'll wait though. Looks like we're gonna fill this gap down here, 350s. Trying to anyway. Hey Lonnie, what's going on? Waiting for the it's right around the corner. We could get there tomorrow. We could. With a 4% down day. I think today caught a lot of people off guard, but yeah, for sure, Fred. Yeah, I was waiting for the setups. I waited for setups like here stuff, you know, I got a little play off that, and I remember getting trapped pretty bad on something. I don't quite remember. Yeah, I ended up catching the nice long off here just on momentum. Really no setup, just momentum at the end of the day. And then I ended up taking the short off this Harami candle here. Almost the same thing as it did Friday afternoon. Took it short. So we added some to the personal account. Yeah, for sure. You gotta be patient, and then, you know, you gotta expect to have wider stops for sure. I have trouble watching anything else now. This candle will be interesting for a long, possibly. We didn't quite fill that gap, but which makes me a little nervous. Technically, it's a Harami, but I mean, I'll probably take a stab at it on this eval, but. Need to wait for the break. But yeah, and the problem is, Fred, is these 5-minute candles the last week or so is just, they've been humongous. So a lot of times it's like I'm just going on like momentum on the candle, whether instead of like an actual true one of my setups. That's what I've been doing lately. Don't really love doing that because it's more discretionary, and you know, if you're feeling off for the day, you know, you might not be reading it correctly, so. You find 30 seconds too large sometimes. Yeah, it's just like whatever you're used to like staring at all day, you know, that's the thing. Whether it's Rankos or tick charts or Heikin-Ashi, you know. $405 possibly. Might try the long on this Harami, but I don't love it. I don't love it because you got that down here. Does your Harami strategy only work on the 5 minutes? I don't know, David Snyder. I never really looked at it on different time frames. I would be willing to bet that it works on other time frames. So we are long right now. We'll see. Big stop out for mini. So let's see. This count will be practically wrecked. This eval. So we'll see. I don't know what it's gonna do. Myth was chatting about Haramis. He's been tuning in. Yeah, they work pretty good. It's just, and you know the funny thing is like I said before, is I never knew what they were called. And of course, you know, they don't work every time. It's just, but I didn't know what they were called. It was just a pattern that I was constantly seeing just from observation. And so, yeah, J Money, who I haven't seen in a while, was just, he's like, oh yeah, that's Harami candles. I was like, cool. So then I looked him up, and I was like, that's sweet. Now I know what to call him. This one doesn't look like it wants to work yet, but we'll see. Hey Butch, what's going on? Dylan, what's happening? Most of my trades are inside 30-second wicks. Nice. Up 100 on 2 micros, Kid Poker. Let's go. Yeah. Still some volatility. Just blew you. I didn't like that one anyway, Del Stone. I didn't like that eval. I didn't like that number. Yeah, that sucks though, Del. That's all right. If this trade goes against me, this eval, a combine, will be gone. I mean, that's a pretty big move to get back up there. That's the thing. But I can do it. It's almost 57 points. There goes my chat again. My chat's been acting weird. Hi, Amelia. See, like, it's delayed, and then all of a sudden it pops up, and then I got 10 people that... Steve Nixon book? Huh. Nyson book. Hi, Emilio. How's it going? Get that bread. Dan Whitley, what's happening? Yeah, I like it to stay. So the body of this 610 candle here closes within the body of this candle after wicking down below. So that's what I like. I don't really like it. Like if it pushed way up here and did it, I mean it's okay, but you know the R&R is not good at all. This is a pretty good R&R. It's just we're in heavy with one mini. So we're essentially risking this account, which is fine. Because I have another one right here. Well, we made okay money on the personal account today, so trying to invest some more back into some props, because I haven't been trading the props very well. Just haven't. I'm in that rush through the evals and stuff mentality, and hasn't been going well. Yeah, it is quite a long target. So we'll have to wait and see. And like you guys said, Trump's speaking right now, so make sure you have a stop loss in place. Solid 10 points there. I have over 100K in my Arcanus. But it's not just for futures. It's like it's all tied into my investments, my lifelong investments. Oh, really? Coach Fred, I didn't know that. Steve Nissen was the guy that popularized candlesticks in North America, the late 90s. Nice. Huh, I didn't know that. Del Stone is fading me. He's short. It's all good. Someone's gonna win. Kind of took like 50% of that candle back. Oop, wrong button. This makes me a little nervous, but that's a pretty bearish candle, so. And in this type of session, I don't know. We'll see. Thanks, Dan. Not you. All good. I'd fade me too. But the setup was there, so we're going to take it. Let's get rid of this. Anyone else overtrade today? Like I did? Wicked flag going on too, guys. I don't like that. Wicked bear flag. You holding along with me? Nice wood chip. It would be interesting if we ended up leaving that gap again tonight. That would be a really bearish sign for tomorrow, but I don't know. That was a big move we had. You try overtrade every day? Yeah. I am guilty too. Although the weather's starting to get nicer, so I'll be more inclined to go outside. Pretty nice long so far. Up 20 points here. We're gonna be bold and hold. Heck with it. I know I see money take money, but I might move the stop eventually, but thought about even adding, but nah, we won't add. You only can make 50% anyway, so if we win on this trade, that's $1,130. Aaliyah, how's it going? It's looking right. Thank you. You switched to long, Dell? Not usually, Charles. Not usually. Is it your first time ever having a take profit account? Because sometimes it might take longer if it's your first one, but no. I mean, I bought 2 today, and I had my Trade Evade accounts within 10 minutes. Oh, first ones? It shouldn't, but I don't remember how long it takes for your first time. But yeah, once you get them, I mean, like I started 2 evals today, so kind of flagging, still pushing up, but we are flagging. If we break down below 400, that could be the end of this trade. Like a close, like a good solid close below 400, I would say. Something like that. Leah, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. I thought I'd never seen you in the chat before. For some reason the Streamlabs is a little delayed. Thank you for the sub. Mr. Harami, quick scalps, crushing it again. It's pretty good. Good trade so far, but you know what? It could go right back to 0 and then some, so I don't really know. Right now it's going all right. But I'm willing to risk the rest of the drawdown on this account. We'll see. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take, right? Michael Scott. Any of you guys Office fans? Hey Vince, yo. Yeah, it's a lot of work. Take back that candle. Look for another 30 points here. Kind of wish I was in 2 contracts. I would have peeled one off, but Especially when we got up past the 50% mark of this giant candle. I'm gonna move my stop up a little bit. 395s. I don't want to move it where my entry is yet. But I think if we break down below 400s, I think that this trade is invalid. In my opinion. I had 22 contracts in, caught the spike up, nice tell. Vince. Stop to 420. The 420s. Yeah, Brian, I don't even really like moving my stops at all, but I'm okay. Because if I move it there, then it comes back and takes me out for 280 and then runs up to 463, I'm going to be really ticked off. But I hear you. Sometimes on like really high momentum plays, like I will do that, Brian, where I move my stop, like trail it pretty quickly. But we'll see. Pulling back a little bit, 415s here. I did get out on my personal account though. I didn't announce it, but I made 485 on the personal, so eval I want to take it up. Don't like that candle. Don't like that one. Uh, 1300. Oh, you only actually, Vince, all you need is on a starter account, all you need is 600. 5 days over $100 plus 100 because you have to leave 50,100, and then you can take out $500 if you make 600. It would destroy the account, but you can do it. The max you can take out is $1,200 on a 50K account. That's the max. Possibly Monica. Yeah, we've been in this trade for a while now, so the longer I sit in the trade like this, the less I like them. But I've also seen like this trade on the overnight take forever before it actually gets up and works, which is why I probably shouldn't even touch my stop if I just leave it right here. But yeah, I got out at that like 50% retracement of that candle on this. So I got out at a $485 profit. So that puts me at like $4,005 for today on that. On the personal. I can't trade a prop firm for shit, but personal, I'm crushing it. Just ain't right. It just ain't right. What's going on? Yeah, I know Cove. Yeah, I know Cove. He was on Top Step TV today. I haven't checked it out though. I'm gonna watch it after we're done. Yeah, his shorts are funny. I was watching them. Still pushing up higher. 426 is now. See if we can get up over the 440s. Hey Terry Trades, what's going on? How's it going? Took a trade off this Harami, Terry. I'm looking to push up quite a ways up there, almost 60 points, but we've been in this trade for 20 minutes. He did well, Coach Fred. Nice. Yeah, I'm going to have to watch it, Coach Fred, when I get done. I don't know if... I don't know if the... I don't know how much that would benefit the channel by going on Top Step TV. It probably would. Some. Maybe I should ask them. I don't know if I really want to, but I think it would be good for the channel. They asked me my strat. I said I trade inside bars. I click buttons. Nice push up here, 600 bucks so far, pushing up higher. I know you guys trying to fade me right now. You're all getting smoked. Just kidding. I'm holding this bad boy till TP. Let me see it here. What's the high of this candle? I'm gonna put it one tick above. 59.25. 59.25. 59. 459.50. I get a lot of trolls, Amelia, probably. Hey Zabak, what's happening? In short, Monica, 2 minis, target 407. Good luck, good luck. I told Travis the same thing. If you want to grow 100%, but if you don't want the trolls, then no. That's why I'll keep you in here, Amelia. You can kick them all out if they come in my chat. John Amos, they had over 5,000 people watching today. Yeah, that would be a good... That would be good. I trade inside bars while sipping on whiskey. Well, no whiskey, but I really wanted to have a beer tonight, but maybe later. I don't know, guys. This is a massive flag we got going on here, but my my setup calls for the break of this candle, so I could almost move the stop to break even comfortably. All right, risk off. Normally during a New York session, guys, I would have added to this trade if there was momentum. I would have added 2-3 contracts on an eval, and I would have got that 1,500 bucks already before it even hit that candle. That's usually what I do during New York when you have a lot more volatility and momentum. But kind of rejecting there off the, what, 450s, 445s. But no reason to get out of this trade yet. Yeah, just remember I said I use a stop loss. That's right. I would have bracket orders set up on my Top Slip X if I went on Top Step TV. That would be so out of character for me to go on something like that, but it would be interesting. Mango cart beer right now. Hey Zach T, what's going on? Kid Poker, you knew we were gonna pop tonight. I mean, what did we get down? We were almost 5% down today. Almost at one point. 4 point something. Kind of crazy. I mean, we're still down 0.5% right now from the open. Yeah, we did just test the open. That's kind of true. Now to think of it. Let's see if we can push up through it. I don't know. I'm starting to feel a little paper handish. I got a hodl. You miss 100% of the shots of the bourbon you don't drink too. That is true. Yeah, I'll drink. I'm not a big whiskey guy. I'm not really into hard liquor much, but I do like if I'm someplace warm, like I don't mind a nice little like mojito or something. Little fruity drink. Mojito, or I like the Moscow Mules. That was good too. Ouch. Hey Steven, what's going on? I could wear the hat, the Top Step hat. Boy, that hat looks so goofy on me, it's not even funny. That would be funny. Yeah, hold my beer long right here. It's true. Hold my beer. 4.6 might have been the highest I can remember. Definitely saw 4.6. Yeah, Amelia, it was up there. I was thinking, oh, we're going to 5%. I heard this was one of the bigger dumps we've had in a few years on the NASDAQ, but I don't know. Yeah, the Top Step House account. The weird thing is about that segment, full-time traders, that like when like Zero Day or Cove or whatever, like when they have that segment where they have the guest on, it's like they kind of want you to put on a trade. So like there might not even be a setup at all at that time, because it's usually like a weird time, like 2 in the afternoon, 3 in the afternoon or something, like that sour hour time. So they usually want you to throw on a trade, but I can click a button. There you go, I'm short, you know, something like that. It's like when I was trading with Methodical Man the other day, a couple Fridays ago, when we did that co-op stream. Like I felt like a lot of pressure to take a trade, and I ended up hopping in a trade that I did not wait for the setup, and it failed. Like I didn't properly wait for the break or whatever, and it definitely failed. I was like, because I was rushed, like felt rushed, but even though like no one was rushing me, it was more of a mental thing. So currently up 20 points in this trade. Stop is at 406. Break even. Looking for 459.50. We are just channeling higher. Could come back down, take our stop out. I don't know. Right now we are just riding this trend up, so it's just taking forever. I wonder how the house. I don't know. Yes, it's pure comedy for sure. Or at lunch when there's no volume. Right, Amelia. No wonder they stay wrecked. Culprit 2 seconds. 3 trades. I have to watch it. Cove scalps anyway. He's a scalper for sure. Like, he's in and out quick. I don't even want to put my stop at break even, guys. I'm thinking about moving it right back down to where I had it. Below the low. But we can re-enter here. If we get out here at 406, maybe we push down below 400s. But we'll see. Yeah, I don't like that. So we're putting in this Harami here, and then we broke. There's a good chance our stop loss is going to get hit. Took it off. 300 bucks. This looks like it's going to come back down and take out the 416s because look, it put it in another pattern right here. See this Harami here? So I have a feeling it's going to come down and take out the 406s, but so we took it off for 300 bucks. Not ideal. I think we were up like 500-600 bucks, but we'll see. Kind of breaking this trend line too a little bit. Market just didn't have enough volume, I guess, to push up through yet. It's kind of what I'm thinking. Not too bad. Up 300 and then up almost 500 on the personal account already. So 485. So up 485 on the personal. Up $4,005 for the day. Let's go. Topstep TV was plus 1200 today. I think they've sized down too, right? They haven't been trading like the 10 lots and things like that. Hey, thank you for the sub, Andreas J. Carrera. Hey, there's Coach. There's Coach Cove. There's Cove right there, the celebrity. Yeah, I was just saying, Cove, I gotta watch your segment. I didn't watch it yet. I'm gonna watch it when I get done tonight. I heard it. I heard you did well. Congratulations. Really? You can't put any trades on My Funded Futures? That's weird. I wonder why not. Yeah, was it fun? Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Yeah, I'm going to check it out as soon as I get done here. Someone had mentioned this morning, I kind of forgot. Is anyone having trouble with My Funded Futures? Yeah, I'm kind of thinking that, Cole. That's why I ended up hopping out of the long. Jose Gonzalez, what's going on? Donna, you're having my... Yeah, so yeah, you're not the only one trading Star. Apparently there's an issue with My Funded Futures. On Trade Evade, I'm guessing. I'm on Top Step right now. And there's eval. You had your stop losses in place, Cove. You didn't full send it with 15 cons. Oh, you're a surveyor and Pine Trees is life for you. Nice. Thank you for the sub, Jose. Ah, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, I live up here in Maine, Jose. Nice little flag break here. I'm gonna take a short here. Feels like we're gonna curl back down. Move the stop. 424s, 50s. Gonna break below this 400 though. Stop break even. Risk off. I don't know. I might trail my stop here. Or just exit manually. It's like pulling teeth trying to get 10 points sometimes. But we were up 10 points, but I have a feeling there was a lot of longs in this little channel. Could push right down through the lows. Could. There we go. Nice push there. Nice. Alright, we're trailing. Locked in $400 here. See if we can get a little more. Nice. Up 721 on this eval tonight. Alright, get back to the chat there. They sent a notice on Discord that they were close to shutting down trading for NQ due to the price limits. Oh, that's weird. Oh, because of the limit down. Yeah. You live in Paradise, Dominican Republic? Nice, Jose. Yeah, I live in cold country. It was like 45 degrees today, almost 50, and felt like a heat wave. Trading some ES tonight, full-time trader? Nice. Being over here with the calm white folks is relaxing. That's funny, Zabak. Yeah, definitely feels heavy. Nice flag break. Cove mentioned the flag break there. I was watching it. Nice exit too on our I felt like that was a good exit on our Harami setup. It will be interesting to kind of like paper watch it now. I mean, our stop down here originally, right, at the lows, we took the break of this candle here. We were targeting the top, almost 60 points, which is quite a bit, quite a feat. But it will be see if we actually hold these lows and then end up getting up here. That'll be interesting to me. Thanks, Dan. Trying to cheap long. Cover, you're out covered there. Nice cove. Good trade. Still can't handle the dark side. Scam decks. Yeah, it's tough, man. It's the beast. It's the beast. NASDAQ. Felt like today was very stressful for me, where, and it shouldn't have been, like, in hindsight, obviously, you know. But yeah, pulling back here, 380s, looking real heavy, looks like we want to take out the lows. We still have this gap down here, 350s to, you know, 350s to 370s. Still have this gap on this 5 minute. Also have the opening gap up here, which is only about 7 points, so it's not super significant, but yeah, very interesting. We have 2 gap down days in the overnight, and this will be very interesting if this never fills again. I think that could spell disaster for tomorrow for the bulls. But who knows? I don't know. We could come right back, hold these lows right here, take this out. But yeah, that 50-point gap up from last night is still up there. Jim Dalton, go with all gaps unless they're filled right away. Well, you could have just, last night the market opened, Sunday night, hit the sell button and made one mini and made 17K today. If, you know, max profit, but sure some lucky person did that. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like button, guys. Appreciate it. 104 people watching, for real? Let's go. That might be close to a record. 100 people? Wow, thanks. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Appreciate it. You brought all your homies? Lean Hogs set up sweet for tomorrow. Lean Hogs. Yeah, I remember when Top Step did that Lean Hogs thing where they gave out a cowboy hat or something to the person that passed an eval or something, or combine with only trading Lean Hogs. That was funny. Yeah, full-time trader. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm kind of going for. You know, gained weight. What's going on? What's happening? What's going on, guys? Yeah, we made 2 nice trades already. Up 721. Just waiting for another setup here. Something that looks good. I'm trying to be a little bit more patient. Took out the Harami break here. Nice trade. And then had a nice little bear flag break here. Took that short. So still holding the lows though. Like our Harami setup still in play, which is interesting for now. If we hold if we break down below 370.50, then that first play, no bueno. I'll show them my fills here, just in case you guys are just tuning in. We have made some trades. Jay Stores, what's going on, man? Harami, yeah, like this cove. I think it's spelled like this. So yeah, give it a Google. Yeah, one of my favorite setups actually, cove, that I look for on the 5-minute chart. Harami. I think it's Harami. Is it Harami or Harami? I think it's Harami, isn't it? I don't know. My main accent probably can't understand me anyway. Yeah, it's Harami. Harami. Like this. Harami. Technically an inside bar is an Harami too. I call inside bars. That's why the yellow ones are the inside bars. But this right here is technically a Harami too, where the body opens and closes within the body of this giant engulfing mother candle. And Harami means pregnant in Japanese, which is why, like, you know, this body is in this body, and that's the loose definition. But yeah, all I do, cove, is I take the long here, like I did here, and I'd put the stop below this candle, and I would target the top of this mother candle, and it works. I took this short actually here. This was not a good R&R at the end of the day. I ended up taking this short anyway, aggressively. Targeted this. Really bad R&R on that one. This one right here was another one for a scalp. Not a very good R&R. So you have to kind of look at the R&Rs, whether or not they're good. This was a good one right here at 11:35. This was a pretty good one. A short here. Targeted the low here, stop above. That looks like about a 1-to-1. But, and this one right here at 10:55 was another one. Took a while, but it got there. Stop goes below. Target here. So, yeah. So this one did not work. We just took out the lows. So new session lows there. It worked good for us. We got some points out of it, but definitely did not get to the target on top. So now we're pushing down lows. 355s now. Japanese, that's right. The do it for Harami? No, Cove, I don't. Oh yeah, oops, I just lost my chat. There it is. Yeah, Nate. Stock Tiger owns a trucking company. Stock Tiger owns a small trucking company, I guess. So that's funny that he must have got some truckers or something listening in. That's awesome. Yeah, full-time trader for sure. You want to go to Japan someday? I would really love to go and visit some Asian countries. I would love to. I'm more interested in doing that than I am like going to Europe. But yeah, it'd be fun. All right, Cove. Thanks for tuning in, man. I'm gonna check out your video on Top Step later. Thanks, buddy. Oh, really, Nate? OTR trucking? No kidding. Yeah. Go to Sri Lanka? Yeah, Trading Star. It looks beautiful. It really does. Sri Lanka? I would love to. Someday. Yeah, I probably botched it. I probably botched it. How you pronounce it, but... Hey, Newts, what's going on? Flushing out. Newts, flushing. Yeah, 100% Terry. 100%. Bora Bora. Yeah, I would love to. Trading Star can be my guide. Because you just vacationed there, right? Trading Star? You just got back from vacation from... I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Sri Lanka. But... yeah, it looks beautiful. There's so much to this planet, to this country that I want to see. It really is. Got to do it. Keep having $3,000-$4,000 days on the personal account. It won't be long before I can just do that. Right, Terry? Fly first class. Lay down seats. Some Emirates flight. Japanese Airlines, nice. I will, Trading Star. Yoma wants me to come over too. Fly private? Yeah, not there yet, BKR. That'd be the ultimate, right? I think first class would be the next step. First class would be the next step. Pushing down here, 343s, guys. Filled that gap. 350s. Nice break off the inside bar. We didn't take it. Just kind of snoozing there. But as you see, that was a nice little break there. Let's take a look at gold for the heck of it. So up 721 on this eval tonight. Nice, couple nice trades. Yeah, nice break on that inside bar though. I know, Terry. I've watched some of the Casey Neistat videos where he's on those. Like some of those seats are like $10,000, $20,000 or more, like just crazy. And of course he gets comped. But yeah, they got private showers and like a full bar, and I'm like, yeah, it's like a hotel in the sky, like a nice hotel in the sky. That would be so awesome. But yeah, I don't have Patrick Whelan's money to fly private. Use my code PINE, guys. Help me fly private. No. Just kidding. It would be good marketing, right, for the channel. Say, look how much of a baller I am. I'm gonna do a photo shoot with my Toyota Corolla for marketing purposes only. I'm gonna put Pine Tree Trader. I'm gonna get a Pine Tree Trader wrap for the side of my Corolla. Yeah, Bangor. Yeah, they actually a lot of people fly out of Bangor privately. I love my Toyota Corolla. That thing is bulletproof. I think I got 270,000 on it. You can't kill it, so the only thing I've done is oil changes on it. Doesn't even burn a quart of oil between oil changes either. And it came from Florida, so there's no rust. Well, I love that car. I'm not flashy. I just like reliability because I'm an auto mechanic too. And I hate working on my own vehicle. Like any mechanic. They hate working on their own vehicles, so I tried to buy the most reliable ones I could find. Yeah, Amelia, my sister still drives a Camry from the 90s. The thing is awesome, and it rides so good. It rides so much better than. I rented a brand new Toyota Corolla down in Florida when I was down there for 2 months, and I rented a Toyota Corolla. Anyways, it was brand new, and it rode like shit, really, and my sister's 90s Camry rides so much better. I actually drove it the other day to bring it to the shop just for, I don't know, she needed something done. So I drove it over to the shop and for her because I had to pick up one of my vehicles. And I was like, man, this thing rides so good. Just be sure I have a Harami set up yet. Inside bars and Haramis. Yeah, Corollas and Camrys live forever, Alfred. What's going on, Alfred? Yeah, they do. Yeah, an Acura, same thing, Dan. Like kind of like a Toyota base engine, right? A lot of those. But yeah, super tough. Pushing down 339s now, guys. Wow, what a break off that inside bar. Sleeping on it. We got out just before there, 387. 409 to 387. Took a long from 406 to 421. So now we're just pushing lower right now. Really nothing for me. 326 now. You're an auto tech too, Dan? Oh, nice. Yeah, my father owns a shop. He's been a mechanic his whole life. And of course, I'm by default a mechanic. But I'm not really a technician or anything. I never had the interest. But yeah. You're a former boat mechanic, full-time trader? Nice. Yeah, HVAC. Brian, yep, 30 years HVAC. Don't miss grinding fiberglass? No. No. Yeah, Japanese cars. Yeah, they're tough. They are tough. My very first car was a Toyota truck. A 1983 Toyota truck, 2-wheel drive. So yeah, I've loved Toyotas ever since. You like the long here, Jeff? Yeah, we're already heading for the previous session lower here, 270s. We are too. We're pushing down. Do we hold these lows here? I'm gonna wait for a proper setup before I just hop into anything, but does all the work to it, Amelia. Nice. The Yodas. That's right, the Yodas. The pre-2008s. Yeah. Oh, I love the Tundras. Yeah, I love the Tundras. But I'm not a very big guy, so I actually like the Tacomas. But the new Tacomas, they're having a lot of issues with them. They changed the engines and put the stupid turbos on them and everything, and they're having some issues. They need to work out the kinks in it. But yeah, I love the... Oh, hey, Daniel Mid. What's going on? How's it going? Well, I'll tell you. Bear with me one sec, Daniel. Thanks for tuning in, by the way. Thank you for the sub. Wow, we're really flushing down 300s now. Good. Previous session lows are in, oop, I'm echoing there. Sorry, guys. Are in play here. So tonight, basically we took an Harami setup, Daniel, for a long, which is this candle right here. And then we just took the bear flag break right here. But I have a few strategies. I'm actually going to post it right now. I made a little video if you want to check that out. I just made it, so... And I made it as brief as possible. So right there is my little strategy videos that I trade every day in a New York session. I pinned it right to the top there, so if you want to check that out, if you're a new subscriber or listener, that's the basics of my strats that I look for every day on the 5-minute chart. So, oh, thanks, Amelia. Yeah, I tried to make it as quick as possible because like I said at the beginning of the video, I hate long, drawn-out strategy videos, so I just tried to make it as brief. Yeah, thanks for the sub too, by the way. Streamlabs is super delayed with the subs, so appreciate you guys tuning in and subbing. Right now I'm looking for some sort of like Harami type setup, some sort of inside bar or something. This, I have nothing. This is just pure push down. If I was New York session, perhaps I would use discretion and just hop in on the short. Sometimes I do that. But right now, where we're up 721 on this eval, I'm really just kind of looking for either an inside bar, another flag, Harami like this for a push up, which just could happen. Maybe hold these lows here, something like that. It's kind of what I'm looking for. Yeah. Hey Trev, what's going on? Thank you, Sherry. Appreciate it. Hey, Gregory Blake, you're in a really good short from 9. Yeah. Nice short, buddy. Nice one. So, yeah, so you got in short. We got in at 409. We didn't hold it. We covered, but yeah, nice way to hold it. Up 100 points. Be interesting if we hold these lows. Not very good, Newts. My props are taking a big hit. Yeah, my props are hurting. I need to rebuild. I've been trading a lot of my personal. We're up $4,005 today total with this 485. So we made close to 4K on the personal. So we're up. Well, it'd be about 15K for the year on the personal account. But yeah, I am struggling bad on the props. Yeah, no problem, man. No, I welcome all questions. I'm not in a trade or anything, so keeps me active. I gotta turn on the lights. It's finally getting dark. That's an old man sitting in my chair too long today, grunt. I did get a workout in though, so that felt good. So what are we looking for now? Well, I could probably try to take a break of this candle but be interesting if we hold these lows from the session lows from today. 270s. But yeah. You went outside today, Amelia? I went outside too. I brought the trash out. I actually worked out at home today. Time I got done trading this afternoon, I didn't have time to work out, take a shower, and hop back on stream because I kind of overtraded a little bit. Technically, it's gonna put in an inside bar. Probably, Trev. This one was. This is well. Okay, so for me personally, I say inside bars here. I guess they're technically haramis, but I like this definition of harami. I've read a few different articles, and they'll tell you either way. But yeah, like this bar right here, the 610, is one. This one right here at the close, 335. That was one. Nice one. This was a good one here at 110. It's a good one for a push up through. This one was a good one here. It's 1135 short. That was a good RR. But yeah, technically an inside bar is an Harami too, I guess. But yeah, I always say inside bar, like here, and then like this would have been a Harami, this is a Harami. But yeah, as long as the body of the candle closes within the body. But yeah, this is like, I like these setups better usually than, you know, the inside bars. Sometimes they just don't work, but yeah, it's just pretty simple way to look at the chart. So like you could try long here, but you have to have a pretty wide stop. Technically your stop would go below, so like here, so you're not really getting even a 1-to-1, but we are like kind of going against the trend a little bit too. But for the stream, right, Newts? For the stream, we'll take it. So there's the push there. It can be a reversal, Trev. Yeah, it can actually act as a reversal, especially a pattern like, if we go back, Friday, that was a good example. So they, well, didn't reverse the trend really, but yeah, you had a giant push down in the morning, and then you had a immediate push up off this Harami here. But yeah, it can act. That's why I've been kind of watching the volume as well. When you get that, when you're perhaps looking for a reversal. So I've been watching the volume a little bit to see if you get a little bit of a volume spike off it as well. Like abnormal amount like that. You know? Things like that. Ooh, big rejection there. 535s. Yeah, I haven't really put a correlation into it yet, Trev. I kind of been watching it lately, just to try to see, because sometimes you'll just see like a lot of people will just say they won't call it like a Harami or something. They'll just say, Oh, look at that hammer candle, right? And then and then you'll see like a volume spike behind it, and and then you'll see like a reversal on the trend. So you see that sometimes. So I've been kind of just like watching it a little bit recently, like within the last week or two. But I pretty much haven't been paying that much attention to the volume part. Just trying to eliminate bad trades, But yeah, I mean, overall, you're just trying to read what the price action is doing anyway. And, like, to me, like, this isn't it's not a great trade. Just in my brain, I'm thinking, like, we're super bearish right now. And we're trying to long. Like, so, but setup is there, so we'll try to take it. And it might have only been good for a little scalp. I think if we go back down through where our stop is right now, then we're taking out the lows of yesterday, of the last session, and we're definitely gonna go through them, I would guess. Whoa. Bottom of the hour. Is Trump still speaking? See, I actually don't like this trade. I'm getting out. See, we're just putting in another. This is why I think it's a different pattern. In a way, I mean, it's still a Harami, but like we just put in another Harami here, which is why I'm exiting. I should have just reversed short here because I think we're gonna take out the lows now. Because like this is the pattern that I like to see to take out the mother candle. There it is. There's the lows. See, like that's the pattern I like seeing. Yeah, we definitely took out the lows there. It's a nice exit there. That would have smoked the account. So I guess I don't know what to say. Oh, let's see. 10:55 a.m. We have the red doji with a huge volume bar as an example. 10:55 my time. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly, Trev. That's exactly it. Yeah, that's exactly what I look for. And I believe we took that long this morning. On stream, I believe, but maybe not. Yeah, that was a good one. Good call. That was a little discretion right there. I said, no, this ain't gonna work. Caught big red. Up 1,300 on that. Nice, Alfred. There you go, buddy. Killing it. Thanks, Brandon. Nice, TJP. Dakota calls it a 3-bar reversal. Yeah, I don't know. I guess. Mine, I'm just looking for Haramis and insides. I'm not really looking for the 3-bar reversals, but I guess. Morning and evening star? Sure. Very similar. Yeah, very similar. So it's almost like a morning or evening star that's where the where the center would basically, I look for the body to close for like more confirmation. But yeah. Yep. Yeah, very similar. Pushed down 253s, took out session lows from yesterday. Just a nice push down. Let's switch to the other account now that's already down. I don't really want to give back that 442 right this minute. One's at the top of the trend, one's at the bottom, best results. Green 2145, nice. Nice, Alfred, yeah, good call on that. Yeah, we definitely swept that hard. Now it's like, where do we go? God, this market's bearish. $190s. Well, we gave back a lot of NQ, didn't we? Yeah, and yeah, full-time trader, like, you know, even in a bearish type market, like the bounces are ginormous, right? So it could rip your face right off. Nope, doesn't for sure, Alfred. Not a pretty trade, yeah. They're not always pretty. Some of the hardest trades, some of the best trades are the hardest ones to take, right? Appreciate the new subs, guys. We're up to 754. 756 subs, guys. We should be close to 800 by the end of the week, which is awesome. Appreciate it. Continuing the flush lower here. 229.25s here. Very bearish. Feeling like just continuation from today. We had that little short covering to close the market, and then now we're just continuing lower. MES short. Good luck, good luck. Demo trade-off with 4 of your subscribers for charity. Whoever wins the duck race. I gotta figure out how to do that duck race things. I don't know if my computer can handle it. I won't do a duck race. I'll do something different because I don't want to copy Cove, but a moose race. A moose race for they have it. Yeah, it would be fun to do some of those. I see they got a few. Oh, they do have a moose race. Check it out. They do have a moose race. I don't know how to do this stuff though. I'll have to figure it out. It's the main moose. I don't know how many you can do. Oh, you have to pay for it. I'll have to look into it. That'll definitely have to be my thing, is the moose race. I mean, it's only natural. A newt race? I don't know. Let's look. Kind of put in a Harami here. Dino. So they got snail racing. Newts, some snails. Hedgehogs. Camels. The moose race has got to be. I got to claim that. I mean, come on. I got to claim that one. We tried along here. Thinking about it. This could rip our face off. Man, that is a big stop. This will probably blow the account if it doesn't work. So, just bear in mind. This eval will be smoked. Stop has to be really wide on this Harami. But I haven't really done a whole lot of Harami trading during this Asia market, so it's like I don't really know. I mean, they work really good in New York, but these markets, I mean, the setups are the same, but you don't get that volume push sometimes. So, although we got plenty of volatility tonight, so we'll see if it works. The hedgehog race. Let's see. Perfect Morningstar. Mighty Moose race. Yeah, Dell. Yeah, I think that'll be fun. I'll have to figure out how to do it. It says you can do 100 people, but for free. But I gotta figure out how to, like, get it so that way it's automated. I remember when Cove first started doing it, he had to, like, type in the names manually. And I can't. I mean, that's a lot of work. But now he's got it set up so it automatically comes off Streamlabs. So I'm just going to have to research that stuff over the weekend. Do the moose race. Yeah. Lambo YOLO. Nice push up here. 290s. I am starving, guys. Stops below the low, but to be honest with you, I won't even make it there because this count probably be cooked. But I gotta take a chance. How much drawdown I got left? 773. The Harami hasn't been working tonight. I mean, it worked a little bit, but it hasn't been enough to take out the previous candle. So usually a New York session, you'll take it out on the next, like this candle or the next, at the very least, like within 5 minutes or so. Take it right out, especially in this type of volatility. Oh yeah, Newts all the time. Moose. Yeah, yeah. I got Moose right across the street from me, Newts. And it's, yeah, when I'm deer hunting and stuff, it's a little scary. Walking up on those things. They're so big. The short got whipped around for a little bit. Well, yeah, the nice trade here. Let's see if we take out this candle, though. What's the high of it? Let's make sure. 322.25. 322.50. Nice move up here. Just lost the chat again. Yeah, I'm looking to take out this candle, but I think it might be a good time to move it to break even. So stops at break even now. We're up 20 points, so 20, almost 25 points. There we go. Get up through the 300s. This could actually keep moving above 322. Thanks, Trev. Starts at break even. This could go right to zero, though. Looking for the big move. How much this oh, it's only, that's not bad. Like for the moose race, you can have, it's $24 for the year for the premium, so that's not too bad for the whole year. So yeah, I'm gonna have to research that, figure out how to get it so it works with Streamlabs. Yeah, it's definitely harder full-time trader. Well, it's easier for me on a eval, but yeah, I mean, if this was a personal or funded account right now, then yeah, I would be a little, you know, just on edge a little bit, trying not to think about it, trying to stay calm. But especially in this market lately with the NASDAQ, like if you can really hodl, you catch some big moves. I mean, that's what we've been doing on the personal account. We caught, you know, a good 200 points today on NQ. So, and it wasn't really scalping. It was just a few trades. So really trying to like capture those bigger moves. But especially because like where my original stop out has to be way down here, so even the R&R is not that great for the setup. Thanks, O. Both concentrating in the PA draw out ready. No, nice. Yeah. It helps keep the accounts longer for sure. I kind of think this could keep running even after the take profit. I think this could change the whatever you call it, sentiment or whatever. But maybe not. This could just be a push up for another flush down. We are super bearish, so. Really? There it is. How's the banger trade? That's a good one. Yeah, Trev, if you're still watching, like, that's the setup. Like, prime example. This is what I look for. And it could keep going. Like I said, I was thinking this could keep going. Thank you, Amelia. Appreciate it. Yeah, so discounts are looking decent now. They're savable now. Tomorrow, hopefully, I save them. Not blow them. I really want to get a few top step accounts. I want to get some XFAs back. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Large, I use the ocean analogy. A large fish, whale floating in the ocean. Sharks come and take the bite, move on. But if you get injured, you're done. You can always re-enter for another bite. Yeah, sure, Brian. Yep, I like that. Yeah, it does, full-time trader. Yeah, for sure, if you leave those big buffers, so. Hashtag account blowers for life. I go through some accounts too, Dell. But as long as my ROI is up there and good, you know, that's what's important, you know. Joker Trades, what's going on? It's happening. Just got out of a banger. It's happening. All right, what do we got going now? 320s there. Nice little exit right off the our target there. Oh, booked to 8,500 on a 300K. We're trying to work on a 300K, huh? Nice. Yeah, those are tough. Hey, Trev, that's all you need, man. One trade a day is really all you need. It really is. We only full port when we have already blown 75% of the account live on the edge. Live on the edge, smash a wallet. Good old pal, yeah, for sure. Yeah, when I start full porting, it's usually trying to rebuild because I have no funded accounts. Dragonfly Doji reversal pattern. By the way, nice. Oh, you're going back and brushing up on the patterns. Nice. Yeah. Blew it funded earlier. I did too. Blew it to Apex. Oh no, by 50 cents? You use 250Ks? Yeah, you guys like the big size accounts. You short wood chip? Think we're gonna go lower? I don't know, that was a pretty bullish move. And the most bullish move of the night, that's for sure, so we'll see. But yeah, definitely could turn back down here. 100% could see that. Let's check something here. So if you guys want to join the Discord, I'll put the link in the chat. It's free, 100% free. Hopefully we get more people in there. And right now it's still new. We got Trading with Travis hanging out in there. We got Dell. We got Terry Trades. We got Nevitz. Pro Tools. Amelia's in there. Chatting John King. So yeah, it's completely free. You know, Talk Markets in the main channel there. It's got my links, whatever. Put your P&L photos. You can share a photo of yourself. We got Dell here. We got Chef Chris. We got Brian. We got myself and his dog, Remington. Got myself, my glamour shot. Might have used a few filters on that one. And then you got Terry Trades 100. We got our links right here for our social medias, the X accounts and things like that. And then just my links, right here. So yeah, if you guys want to join the Discord, it's completely free. You're welcome to. Hopefully we start getting more people in there to chat about trading or whatever. Taking a stab long futures floor. Nice. Good luck, good luck. Off to 300. Trading all-time high. Welcome to the Discord. Yeah, still brand new. Still trying to learn it. How to figure out how to run this Discord thing, but so far it's been pretty chill, so. You don't want to corrupt us? I got some degen side to me too, Trev. Don't worry about it. Technically this would have been a short, Donna. On this inside bar. But this would have been a short trigger. This one here was a long trigger, and we ended up hopping out real quick because it immediately pulled back and put in this, like, what I call another Harami candle, and then immediately flushed down through, so. On gold, maybe you're asking? Okay, cool. Oh, NQ, okay. Yeah. Yeah, technically you would get triggered short there, but I don't know. This was pretty strong move up. I don't know. I don't really know what to think right now. It's hard. I mean, we're so bearish, and then like in your brain you expect a bounce, and then but yet we're bearish, and it gets tough. Like it's almost like trading all-time highs sometimes, where it gets a little tough. Callie Piker, thank you for joining the Discord. But yeah, so a few nice trades tonight, guys. Appreciate you guys been using my code PINE. 83% off Belanox, 83% off Apex still going on. Use my code PINE, please. It's my only affiliate links, really. It's the only ones I'm allowed. So I appreciate you guys that have been using them. Take Profit Trader. Use my friend Terry Trades 100, all caps. 35% off, 30% off. I don't know, $119 for 50K all in. Take Profit Trader. So no activation fee. Pretty good deal. And take daily payouts, man. I'm working on it. I'm working on getting some more accounts. We have been slaying the daily payouts lately, so yeah. Use code MM. Why not? My Funded Futures. But yeah, really appreciate you guys using my code PINE on Belanox and Apex. It means a lot to me. Helps support the channel. But I think I'm gonna call it there tonight, guys. Pretty good stream. Pretty happy with my trading tonight too. Believe it or not. Usually I'm not. I don't know if I can end the stream. Everything's frozen. Got too many tabs open. Oh, there we go. All right. I didn't know if I could end the stream. But yeah, go check out Stock Tiger. He's hanging out, I'm sure, over there. So, and I'm going to go eat and chill out and be ready for tomorrow. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow at some point. And probably in the morning. I'll probably be on in the morning. But yeah, appreciate you guys. Take it easy. Smash the like button on your way out if you forgot. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed. All right.